Data exchange is a crucial component of modern businesses, allowing for the transfer of information between different systems and stakeholders. However, the process of data exchange can be time-consuming and complicated, especially when dealing with different data structures and formats. This is where the dynamic data exchange platform comes in. For RMC and DSP in the relocation industry, data exchange can be particularly challenging. The incompatibility of different systems and data structures used by different DSP leads to significant data exchange challenges, resulting in long discussions, longer lead times in API development, and ongoing support for each DSP. Furthermore, system upgrades or additional fields on either RMC or DSP side require a significant amount of effort and time from all parties' programming teams to upgrade API coding, testing, deployment, and ongoing support. This results in a lot of time and budget constraints for all parties involved. This is where DDEP can help. Introducing i-RMS Dynamic Data Exchange Platform, DDEP, by providing a standardized and flexible platform for data exchange between different systems. DDEP simplifies the data exchange process, improving efficiency, productivity, and collaboration. With DDEP, RMC and DSP can simplify their data exchange process, avoiding the need for custom development or modifications. DDEP offers a range of features, including user-defined mapping for common cases, dynamic rules and validation defined by users, and version control for updates to standard APIs. This provides greater control and flexibility over the data exchange process, enabling businesses to adapt to changing requirements and standards. By streamlining the data exchange process, businesses can improve data exchange process and collaboration, leading to better outcomes for everyone involved. With a standardized approach to data exchange, businesses can avoid the need for manual data entry or translation, reducing the risk of errors and improving overall efficiency. Studies have shown that companies across various industries have reported significant time and cost savings after implementing APIs for data exchange. 47% cost savings of over $100,000 per year, 71% increased productivity, 66% time savings of over 100 hours per year. With DDEP, businesses in the relocation industry can expect to achieve significant time and cost savings by simplifying their data exchange process. In conclusion, DDEP offers a user-friendly and standardized approach to data exchange, designed to simplify the process for businesses. The ultimate objective for both RMCs and service providers is to enhance customer satisfaction. A crucial component of achieving this is the provision of real-time status updates, enabling seamless communication between all parties involved, regardless of location or time, with minimal delay. i-RMS realizes this objective by facilitating real-time data exchange among all stakeholders involved in each assignee's relocation journey. All parties involved in the relocation process are seeking an industry-standard data platform to enable seamless communication with each other. An API, Application Programming Interface, acts as a bridge that connects different software applications and enables them to exchange data efficiently. It operates like a waiter who takes your order to the kitchen and brings back your food. Simply put, it's a set of rules that governs how different systems can communicate with each other. Essentially, it serves as a messenger that facilitates communication between different systems, allowing them to work together smoothly. Relocating to a new place is like embarking on a long journey that lasts for several months. At the outset, communication is typically straightforward between two parties, the transferee and the relocation consultant. However, as time passes, the number of parties involved in the communication process increases as multiple service providers are engaged to facilitate the relocation. As the relocation process progresses, the amount of data records that need to be exchanged between parties continues to increase. As the relocation process progresses, the data exchange process becomes increasingly complex. This is due to the varying parties involved in the exchange, the types of data being exchanged, and the varying frequencies at which data is exchanged. As time goes by during the relocation process, the number of systems involved in data exchange gradually increases from one-to-one to one-to-many and eventually many-to-many. Incompatibility of different systems and data structures used by DSPs causes communication challenges in achieving API standardization. Long discussions with each DSP lead to longer lead times in API development, deployment, testing, and support for each DSP. System upgrades or additional fields on either RMC or DSP side require a significant amount of effort and time from all parties' programming teams to upgrade API coding, testing, deployment, and ongoing support. Some DSPs are not willing to use new systems due to budget concerns or teams' unwillingness to train and learn new operational methods. Lack of willingness to adopt new technology leads to additional costs and time constraints in building APIs with different RMCs. The challenge is that while everyone wants an industry standard, they also want to retain control and leadership. There is a desire to exchange data, but simultaneously keep it exclusively for themselves, and there is a lack of trust and unwillingness to share. While everyone wants more efficiency and cost savings, they are concerned about the cost and time needed for API development and the never-ending process of improving it. These factors have contributed to the lengthy process of establishing a common standard that has yet to be achieved. Our solution, the Dynamic Data Exchange Platform, acts like a language translator for your systems. It enables seamless translation of your system data into the required format of your receiver. We assist you in mapping your system data to the standard data platform, enabling direct communication between parties. Our data exchange platform has successfully passed the third-party ISO 27001 data protection standard audit. We adhere to the highest industry standards of data encryption and ensure GDPR compliance requirements are met. There are several benefits of using APIs for data exchange in the relocation business. Time saving. APIs can automate data exchange processes, reducing the time needed for manual data entry and processing. This leads to faster data exchange and better decision-making. Cost saving. APIs eliminate the need for manual data entry and processing, which can be costly and time-consuming. By automating these processes, businesses can save on labor costs and reduce the risk of errors and delays. Improved accuracy. APIs can help ensure data accuracy by eliminating the risk of errors that can occur during manual data entry and processing. Improved customer experience. By automating data exchange processes, businesses can provide a faster and more reliable service to their customers, improving the overall customer experience. Increased efficiency. APIs can help businesses streamline their operations, making them more efficient and effective. Better data security. APIs provide a secure way to exchange data between systems, reducing the risk of data breaches and other security issues. DDEP has already developed more than 200 open-source API data exchange standards that are available for anyone to use. We are dedicated to continuing the development of additional standard APIs that will be accessible to all. DDEP provides support for multiple data exchange formats, including XML, Excel, CSV, and JSON. This versatility allows for seamless data exchange between systems with varying format requirements. DDEP provides a standard data exchange process for RMC and partner systems. The process begins with the RMC initiating the exchange by sending data through the API to the DDEP platform. The system will then verify security and access rights before passing the data to the middle-tier data exchange database. The API then sends the data to the partner system, which returns service status data through the middle-tier data exchange database. Finally, the data is converted to the RMC API format and uploaded to the RMC database. The data flow process applies to all DSPs utilizing the i-RMS operating system. They can directly exchange data with RMC using the same standard. One of the main advantages of RMC using DDEP is that it can integrate with different systems, whether it's a DSP's own customized system, a market off-the-shelf relocation operating system, or another service provider's database. All are welcome to map their data to RMC's standard API, which reduces RMC's development time for integrating with each DSP's complex system structure and unique system requirements. DDEP is securely hosted in the EU region of Microsoft Azure, providing advanced security features and adhering to GDPR and ISO 27001 compliance requirements. DDEP employs industry-standard encryption methods to safeguard both the database and the data transfer process. DDEP has an additional layer of security on top of industry-standard encryption methods to protect personally identifiable information, PII, data. This ensures that transferees' personal data is further safeguarded and the system remains compliant with GDPR regulations. By improving efficiency, productivity, collaboration, and control, DDEP can help RMC and DSP to achieve their goals and stay ahead of the competition. Try it today and see the difference it can make for your business, and see the power of i-RMS for yourself.